freedom of my own time. I follow price action. I manage that myself.
Okay, hi Khushnoor. How are you?
Hi Simon, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Thanks for asking. If you could introduce yourself to the community, that would be fantastic.
Definitely. So my name is Khushnoor. I'm from India and I'm into this trading since 6 years. I have my own ups and downs in this journey and trying to learn every day. Basically, this is what trading, like you need to be very much into it before getting into taking any trade and all.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, where are you currently living?
Currently living in India, Kolkata.
Kolkata. Okay, very nice. Yeah. Okay. So, what made you start trading? Is there any particular reason?
Yes, two very important reasons. One is my freedom of my own time. And second, there is in this thing, there is unlimited profit. If you're good in your skills, sky is the limit. Okay. And if you are just trust on the process and trust on your skills. That's it.
Okay. So by the sounds of it, you're fully into trading. So you're full time?
Yeah, full time.
Okay. So what brought you to FundedNext in particular?
For me, the most important thing is trust. I can trust. I have the reliability on this company that yes, I'm working for this company and this will pay me at the end of the thing. So this is very important.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I agree. Very important. So, are you currently in an evaluation? Or are you funded?
No, I am currently in the evaluation period only. But currently, I have two models. One is Stellar model and one is Express model. So I'm working both on the models, both of the models.
You're trading both at the same time. Okay. So the Express is, of course, the no time limit. So you've got no pressure to trade.
Yeah,
so
exactly. That's the most important thing for me. There is no time pressure. And second, there is this consistency rule, which is very important actually. Even if you're saying it's a consistency account, but for consistency it's good for me because it will make me trade the right time, the right moment. I'll not just jump onto a trade. So it's very important. It keeps
you can trade your strategy rather than trading time. Sure.
Exactly.
Okay. Yeah, very important. Okay. So full-time trader, trading what assets primarily? FX?
Yeah, FX, only FX. So I trade in Euro USD, GBP USD, sometimes in gold. But for me, Euro USD is the best. I usually trade in Euro USD only.
Okay, so is that because it suits your time zone? What sessions do you trade? Do you do London or New York?
Mostly London, but sometimes New York as well.
Okay, all right. So,
but I have a London session because I get that volatility over there at that time.
Yeah. Okay. Great. That's probably why you prefer to trade euro and cable. Sure. Okay. So, is there a particular strategy that you trade these FX pairs use? Is there a style of trading you prefer?
Yeah. Basically, I follow price action, and second, I buy on sell side liquidity and sell on buy side liquidity. So for me, seeing support, resistance, seeing if the longer time frame, the shorter time frame, these are the parameters I see before taking any trade. So if it's not matching my parameter, then I don't take any trade. I don't just trade with my time. I only trade when I see there's an opportunity and which can help me in my risk to reward ratio. Even if my trade goes wrong, I know this is a max loss I'll be having, and this is a max profit I'll be having. So I don't let my risk be more than the limit which I have set. If I'm
Sure.
in a loss, I just cut down my losses rather than dragging it the whole day.
Okay, so you mentioned sell side liquidity and buy side liquidity. So you're looking to buy when other retail traders are stopped out, and you're looking to sell
Yes,
when they're stopped out. So would you say you're an ICT concept trader?
Currently,
Yes.
yes. Currently,
Okay.
I am like hooked into ICT. So
Okay,
I'm like
so-
seeing all his videos and all. I'm trying to learn every day.
Okay, so you've watched the YouTube mentorship.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Because there's no private mentorship going on, so I need to see those videos and learn from there itself.
Yeah. Okay. So have you watched the entire mentorship, or are you working your way
I'm
through it
currently watching 2013 mentorship.
now? Okay. Good luck with that. Okay. So would it be possible, now we've touched on what your strategy is, would it be possible for you to share some existing trades that you're currently in, or some past trades, just to show us what you were looking for and how you managed it?
Yeah, I can show you my past trades.
Okay,
So,
I can see your dashboard now. Your
yeah,
FundedNext
so
dashboard. Yeah.
yeah, this is my stellar model.
Mhm.
So in the past trades, so this is my just 1 month. This is my 1 month or 8 days account. So these are the trades I have taken.
Okay, I see.
This is the maximum profit I had in this trade, like $1,200.
So it looks like your average lot size is 5
Five.
lots. Okay.
Yes.
And
I have
So you-
200K account, so I usually take 5 lots every
Mhm.
trade.
okay.
My win rate percentage is 92.31.
Mhm.
My risk to reward is like 1.3, but it's sometimes 1.27, 3, 4.
Yeah. That's a good risk reward ratio, 1 to 3, 1 to 2, and your win rate is fantastic, 92%. That's
Yeah.
that's something. Well done. So
Yeah.
you're risking what percentage of your account per trade?
1% to 2%, not more than that.
Okay, sure. Okay, excellent. So good risk management, excellent win rate, good risk reward. So yeah, any chance we could see a chart with a setup that would look
Yeah.
like a good trade to you? Okay, so we can see the Euro USD 5-minute chart now. So I see you're using the LuxAlgo ICT
Yeah.
indicators. How are you finding those?
Yeah, it's good. Like, I don't rely on this indicator, but it does helps me.
Sure, you just use it
So
for.
usually I
yeah,
see 5.
Okay.
Yeah, I usually trade 5 minutes setup
Mhm.
and 15 minutes setup.
Okay.
So currently, I believe it's a short. It will go down more. So if I need to take a trade, I'll wait for it to go a little up,
Mhm.
equal high, and then I'll short from that 1.0766. So I'll wait for it to reach the equal high, and then I'll short from that position because it's short. It will be yeah. It's a
Okay, so
short
you would
position.
look for.
I need a little
bit higher.
short.
So what would you be targeting? What would where would your exit be?
My exit will be this position here 1.06.
Okay, you would target that support potential, maybe old order block.
Yeah.
And your entry would
This
be.
order block.
Yeah, is it an
Equal
order block?
high, yes.
Yeah,
It
maybe.
will also be an order block upside.
Yeah. So, and you would wait for price to retrace back through those equal highs at approximately
Yes.
107.066, something like that. Yeah. Okay.
Exactly.
Okay. Would you wait for a particular time of day for that
Yes,
retracement?
I'll wait London session.
London
I'll
session,
not
yeah.
take any because at that time I'll get that volatility which I'm looking for. So I'll be trading in that time. So
do you watch
otherwise,
the
I
news?
don't want to stuck in this. Yes, very important. I watch the news, and high impact news is also very important because I have this express model where I'm not allowed to trade in during high impact news. So for me, news is very important, and I don't trade news because in news news is about gambling. And I don't trade news because I trade only based on price action, only based on what I'm seeing in the chart and not an outside parameter.
Sure. So you would wait for the news to come
I
and go.
Take
See
any
what?
trade during the
Yeah. Okay. Good.
Yeah.
Very
Yes,
wise.
I'll wait for the news to come, see its effect, how it's showcasing in the chart, and then I take my trade.
Okay. So any news in London or New York, you would wait for that to cause that retracement through those equal highs, and then you would look to short that.
Exactly.
Down into that support order blocks, potential support order block 1066. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Thank you for sharing that.
Thank you.
Thanks for sharing your dashboard. Okay.
Yes.
Right. So, we've discussed lots of things there. So, preferred trading assets, your strategy. By the looks of it, you're a price action trader, so you use limited amounts of indicators, which is good to hear. You just use the ICT indicators for maybe some brief or overview of potential price action and where.
Brief, yes, overview.
Sure, great. Okay. So you showed us the dashboard. Thank you. Great win rate, great risk reward. You said you risked maybe 1 to 2%, which is that's good risk reward. Stop losses are fixed, I imagine, or do you manage those yourself?
I manage them myself. I don't put any stop loss because I know if this is the loss I'll bear, and then I close my trade. Because sometimes it happens that it goes down, but again it comes up because of liquidity. So I give that much space to it, because if I put my stop loss over there, then it might hit and then come back to the position which I wanted. So I give that much of space because I'm not risking much, and then if it's going beyond, then I close my trade, even if it's no matter how loss it is, I close it.
Yeah. So
because I don't want to triple that.
Yeah. So you will close the position at the end of the day if it's taken.
The end of the day.
Sure. Yeah. Okay. Great. So, with regards to drawdown, I mean, looking at your account, you're obviously not in drawdown at the moment, but how would you manage that if you were to go into a slightly deeper drawdown? Is there any particular psychology that you look into?
See, drawdown, the thing is, like, I don't allow myself to even reach that position because I'll close it beforehand. And even if one particular time, even if worst situation, if it's hitting the drawdown also, I'll close my trade, because no point of violating the rule and then starting from all over again.
Yeah. So have you learnt this the hard way? Have you blown up accounts in the past?
Hard way. Because I have blown my funded account earlier, but now I'm very, very, very conscious of it. Like, I'll take each and every step aware of it. This is the thing. This is a max loss I'll be having, and profit. I don't put any target for my profit. I let it go. But I cut my losses.
Sure, very wise. So, big wins, small losses. Okay, good stuff. Okay, so you've given us lots of good advice. Any further advice to traders out there who are struggling?
Believe in yourself, because it's a hard journey. It's a long journey.
Sure.
If we are not motivated to do, then we'll be like, oh, we should quit trading and all. But no, you should always be motivated that no matter what happened, not this time, not this like coming month, years, if you put in your effort, you will reach where you wanted to. But if you quit in the mid, then you don't know what will happen.
You've lost. Yeah. It sounds like you've highly motivated yourself. So have you read any particular books to get these insights, or where have you learnt these ideas
I mostly watch YouTube. So my source of motivation comes from YouTube.
Okay.
I watch interviews of lot of traders. I have watched their advice, what they want, what are their flaws, so that I can learn from them. So I've watched millions of YouTube videos where I can learn from them and then don't repeat the same mistake which they are doing. So just going with that flow.
Sure. Okay, great. Any suggestions to FundedNext? Any improvements they could make?
No, they are doing fantastic job.
Okay. I'm sure
just increase the size.
Increase the account size, yes? to allow you to make even more money. I'm sure. Okay. Okay, great. I think that's it. Thank you for doing the interview for FundedNext. It's much appreciated. Nice talking to you. And good luck with passing the Stellar and the Express account. I'm sure you will with those statistics. So hopefully speak to you again.
Hoping. Yeah.
Okay, Khushnoor. Thanks. Okay.
Thank
Goodbye.
Thank you.